Now the third region or location we'll be looking at is the Atlantic Ocean. The threat that is present in the Atlantic Ocean region of the world would be the issue surrounding ocean salinity. It has been shown through research and data findings in Chapter 13 that there is currently a strong basin-wide salinity increase that is occurring throughout the Atlantic Ocean as a whole. This is due to the melting of land and sea ice in the area and stronger rates of evaporation. The Atlantic Ocean in particular is most vulnerable to an increase in salinity due to the fact that it is surrounded by land bodies that are experiencing a greater amount of ice melting on a daily basis, as well as areas that are experiencing those stronger evaporation rates as a whole. In terms of environmental changes with this increase in salinity, the increase in salinity of the Atlantic Ocean can affect both the plants that reside in the ocean as well as the marine life as well. The increase in salinity may make it impossible for certain plants to survive in the newfound salinity levels and risk destroying certain coral and other plants that might reside there. This increase in salinity, according to the FIS organization's official website, will also cause the global water cycle in that sector of the world to eventually turn over more quickly by almost 25%. The article posted by the FIS organization also clearly outlined a few negative impacts that this increase in salinity of the Atlantic Ocean can have on surrounding communities. One such negative would be the fact that those areas surrounding the Atlantic Ocean who experience drier conditions will no longer have the freshwater access they once did. The increase in salinity will make it nearly impossible to utilize this water source, and the technology required to filter the water will most likely be too expensive for those regions to even attempt. This runs the risk of droughts and these communities being forced to look elsewhere to meet their water demands in order to survive.